soup, and used to make in a. It's famous in the southern part of India, and it have a black pepper, ginger, coriander, turmeric, curry leaves, dry chili, tamarind, asafoetida. Each ingredients are very good for health, and it's when you mix together and drink, mix the food, it's help to digest the meal, and it's good for cold and cough also. Here is the ingredients: cumin, black pepper, garlic. I have soaked the tamarind, small piece. I have a tomato sliced. I have dry chili, asafoetida, turmeric. I have a ginger, onion, curry leaf, and coriander seeds. Here you can see the lentils boiled already. So tur dal. Tur dal is a lot of protein in it. To blend following items: cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, garlic 7 pieces. It's good with the skin. So I'm going to blend roughly. I added coriander seeds, so I'm going to blend it roughly. Here you can see I blended everything roughly. I'm doing tempering now, adding oil. I added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and now adding mustard seeds. Add dry chili. Fresh curry leaves. Add chopped onion. I'm adding the blended masala. Spoon turmeric powder. Adding the tamarind puree. I soak the tamarind. I take out the flesh. I remove the extract. Now I crush it a little bit. So I'm adding extra water, like 2 cups, and boil lentil. I'm adding the asafoetida, salt to taste. The rasam soon going to be ready, so I'm going to explain about what is the benefit of the ingredients. The black pepper is good for cough and cold, and cumin seeds is good for digest, and turmeric is antioxidant, and asafoetida is good for asthma, and garlic is good for cure the blood. So I have added enough spices, so each spice is good for each part of body. So when you blend everything together, it's helpful for the whole body. So it's like brain to blood, nerves, joints, each and everything is really helpful. That's why like Indian food, they mix always all kind of spices, blend together and make food. That's okay. Now you can see the fourth is coming up, and you can see it start boiling. No need to boil too long, just give a little bit like a quick boiling, then you can turn it off. It's almost ready, so I'm going to turn it off. Okay, all spices blended. The rasam is ready. I'm going to taste. Very nice. You can feel the aroma of the spices ingredients. if you have a cold cough, you should drink this one. This soup is really help. Okay, it's cure your cold cough easily. Okay, and it digests your food. Okay, end of your food, you should drink this one. Digest your food. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.